It's like, I've already learned a lot on the engineering side of things, but there's just like this big unknown of like, how do users actually use our application? Like, what are we actually building for, our users, right? In this case, our analysts, our associates, our portfolio managers. And what better way to do that than actually working on the applications that they use every day? And so I think for me, making that decision to, like, as you said, like double down on UI engineering, UI platform was kind of almost just like a need to understand the business at like a fundamental level, and just kind of be there to, one, build out the actual tools, but two, just like understanding and learning from all of the different people in that space. So I feel like if you work in product engineering, if you're building out UIs, you have just so much more exposure to the kind of entire stack, as opposed to like if you're very down in the weeds, you might not even ever know like when a user is actually using what you've built out. And so in a similar level, I guess on a similar vein actually, going from Citadel to Figma was just like kind of just like trying to grow that part of me. I think Citadel, we're creating applications for a small set of users, right? And that's like a very different challenge than creating an application that's being used by millions of different users. So there was kind of that need that I wanted to grow in. And so that was kind of clear to me that I need to make that switch eventually. So yeah, ultimately I did. Yeah.